Welcome to AI Odyssey Quest. The world of digital creativity is evolving at lightning speed, and Google has once again raised the bar with its Gemini 2.0 Flash. This powerful tool allows users to generate and edit images like never before, making it an essential resource for artists and content creators alike. Imagine being able to colorize black and white photos effortlessly. With Gemini 2.0 Flash, users can breathe new life into old memories, transforming them into vibrant visuals that tell a story. The intuitive interface guides you through the process, allowing for precise adjustments that honor the original while adding a modern twist. Replacing objects in an image has never been easier. Whether it's swapping out a background or substituting elements to create a surreal scene, Gemini 2.0 Flash provides the resources needed to unleash your imagination. This functionality means that artists can produce unique composites with minimal effort, paving the way for entirely new forms of expression. Another impressive feature of Gemini 2.0 Flash is its ability to blur backgrounds, instantly elevating the focus of any image. This effect not only enhances visual appeal, but also allows for a professional touch that was previously reserved for graphic design experts. Consider how this transformation could enhance your photography or digital art, drawing the viewer's eye exactly where you want it. Moreover, the editing tools packed in Gemini 2.0 Flash extend far beyond simple modifications. Users can tweak lighting, apply filters, and adjust textures to refine their images to perfection. This level of customization caters to both novice users looking for an easy entry point into digital art and seasoned professionals seeking advanced capabilities. The integration of artificial intelligence in Gemini 2.0 Flash means the tool learns from user preferences, making suggestions that tailor the creative experience to individual tastes. This adaptability not only saves time, but also inspires users to explore new techniques and visuals they may not have considered before. As the AI landscape continues to expand, tools like Google Gemini 2.0 Flash are proving that creativity is no longer limited to traditional methods. By empowering users to generate and manipulate images with such ease, it opens up a world of possibilities where imagination knows no bounds. Dive into this new era of art creation and witness how Gemini 2.0 Flash can transform your creative process. Subscribe to AI Odyssey Quest for more cutting-edge AI insights and futuristic trends. See you in the next Odyssey.